I'm not. What is that?
Put it in his lap.
No. Chill. Not, bro.
Let me see. Put your whole hand out.
No. Okay.
Wait. Here he come. Touch right here. Wait.
You cannot be allergic.
I'm allergic to that.
No, you're not, bro. Just touch it.
Hey, hold on. Oh no.
He won't hurt you. That's way.
Oh.
Is that shit?
Yep, that would be shit.
He shit on me?
No, he didn't shit on you. He shit.
A red cardinal. A red cardinal.
It's a bird. It's a big bird. Bro,
A duck is not a bird.
bird got
Ducks can't fly.
Bird got this.
Ducks do fly.
Yup, duck, dumbass. See,
What the hell? That thing trying to attack me?
that's why you need to go to fucking school. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
It's called a Polish chicken.
Ew. Not that ass.
It's so big, bro.
Ew.
Alright, never been, bitch.
Oh my god, fucking god. What are you doing?
Oh my god, bro. Why you push me, bro?
I don't know what you're doing.
Whoa. You touch it? You touch it? You touch it?
Give me your hand.
And yo,
You sure it's not gonna bite me?
No.
Yo,
You sure?
it might be a gorilla, bro. I'm telling you. It's a gorilla, bro.
She might.
Show
Let me
teeth.
show your teeth.
Look. See, that's horse teeth, nigga. I don't got that. So stop. That's a prime example, bro. That's horse teeth.
Oh.
You feel me?
You look like Ninja Turtle game.